Question 7 says in the diagram below, AOC with A as 2 and C and O as 0 and 0 is drawn. C is a point on the x-axis. AO is equals to AC. E lies on the y-axis and F lies on the x-axis. Line EF goes through the points BD on OA and CA respectively. And the equation of EF is given as 2y plus x is equals to 10. Question A says they want us to determine the coordinate of B and hence determine the area of EBO. They want us to determine this triangle's equation. We'll go ahead and make the length OE our base and have a perpendicular height from the y-axis to point B as our perpendicular height. Okay, so the first thing we need to first do is determine the point B. The point B is where the line OA meets the line EF. So we will have an equation y is equals to mx plus c. We can clearly see that it's cutting the y-axis at 0, so our c is equals to 0. We would look for our gradient, which is our change in y over change in x. For our change in y, we'll say a1 minus AO divided by XA minus XO. The value of YA is 6 minus 0, 2 minus 0, giving us 3, and therefore our equation is y is equals to 3a. Now we can go ahead and substitute this equation into that equation in order for us to solve for the x value of b. So we'll have 3x plus x is equals to 10. 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus x is equals to 10, and we'll have 7x is equals to 10. Therefore, our x point is 10 over x. To get the y point, we will substitute it into this equation. We get y is equals to 3 multiplied by 10 over 7, and we get 30 over 7. So the coordinate of B over here is 10 over 7 and 30 over 7. Now this would allow us to calculate to say what our perpendicular height is, because it will be from that point to that x value. Therefore, our perpendicular height will just be 10 over 7. Now for the base, we need to know what is point E over here. So this would be where my x is equals to 0. 2y plus 0 is equals to 10. 2y is equals to 10. Divide both sides by 2, we get y is equals to 5. And that would then be our base. So for our equation, for the triangle, we will say the area is equals to half base times height, 1/2 times 5 times 10/7, and that will give us 25/7 units.